Every day, millions of tiny robots clean our homes. But have you ever wondered how they never lose their way?
It doesn't have human eyes, yet it can measure every wall, every chair, and every corner with remarkable precision.
Inside this small machine is a powerful computer, constantly transforming measurements into decisions. Thousands of laser measurements every second allow the robot to calculate the exact shape of your home.
With every movement, your home becomes a digital map stored inside the robot's memory.
Even the wheels are measuring every centimeter, helping the robot know exactly where it is. Hidden sensors detect every turn, ensuring the robot never forgets which direction it's facing. Before it reaches the edge, hidden sensors detect that the floor has disappeared. Every obstacle teaches the robot something new, making its next decision even smarter. Before it cleans your home, it builds an invisible world of its own. To clean efficiently, the robot must solve two problems at once. Where am I? And what does my world look like? No single sensor is perfect. Together, they create a far more accurate picture. Efficient cleaning isn't luck, it's mathematics. Before every movement, the robot quietly calculates the smartest path. Modern robot vacuums don't simply avoid obstacles, they recognize them. Once your home is mapped, the robot remembers it just like you do.
Every cleaning session teaches the robot something new.
Once your home is mapped, the robot remembers it just like you do.
It began as a simple cleaning machine, but it has quietly learned to understand your home.